In the 2018 Winter Paralympic Games, the total number of medals won by Canada was 28. The ratio of the number of gold medals to the number of silver medals to the number of bronze medals is 2 to 1 to 4. Find the number of bronze medals won by Canada. So this is a ratio question. So the gold to silver to bronze is in the ratio of 2 to 1 to 4. If we add up all the parts, so we've got 2 plus 1 plus 4, 2 plus 1 plus 4, that gives 7 parts. And therefore, the number of bronze medals is going to be equal to 4, because 4 is the ratio that refers to bronze, times divided by the number of parts. So 4/7 of 28, which is going to be 16 medals. Okay, so just repeat that. The number of bronze medals is going to be 4/7 times 28, which is going to be 16 bronze medals. So this has been a video to show you how to find the number of a particular medal won using ratio. I hope you've understood, and I thank you for watching.